Hello everyone, my name is Zanafar Askadri and I have made this drawing for drawing competition. I have used normal pencil and sketchbook.
Hi, my name is Shamnaz Rafiq Sheikh and I will show you simple circuit working model. A circuit is path that electric follows along it. Start at power source like a battery and follows through a wire to a light bulb or another object and back to other side of the power source. You can build your own circuit and see how it's work with this project. Let's see how it work. See, this is battery, this is bulb, and this is switch. See. Thank you. Bye.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am talking about digestive system. I know about 6 important digestive system. This is my project. I used to make this cardboard paper and this color of paper, and I used sketch pen to draw, and I color with sketch pen, and I use this design tape, and these flowers from other colors. This is our mouth. I am talking about mouth. Mouth digest of food begins in the mouth. Food is chewed with the help of teeth in a very small pieces. Now I am talking about this. It's called salivary glands. Saliva is produced in the salivary glands in the mouth cavity. In the mouth cavity located in the front of the ears near the pecs and below the tongue. It is carried to the mouth wave cutters. It is mixed with during the process of chewing. Now I am talking about this. It's called liver. The liver is the largest gland in the body. It has a rich supply of blood. Its supply of blood, its means functions is store of glucose. The gallbladder is stretched below the liver. It stores the bile, the digestive system juice secreted by the liver. When bile is carried into the small intestine.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Adiba Ansari from 8th standard. I am going to explain about the working model of lungs. This is the model which I have made. The balloon represents the lungs and the straw represents the trachea and the bronchi. As we breathe in air, the oxygen enters the nostrils and travels downwards through the trachea and bronchi and enters into the lungs, due to which the lungs get filled with air and your diaphragm tighten and flatten, allowing you to suck air into the lungs. Once in the lungs, oxygen is moved into the bloodstream and carried through your body. At each cell in your body, oxygen is exchanged for a waste gas called carbon dioxide. Your bloodstream then carries this waste gas back to the lungs and then it exhaled. I'll show how it works. As you can see, when I blew in it, the air get transferred into the balloon and the balloon can expand just like the lungs. The movement of the balloon matches your breathing. Thank you.
Good morning to respected principal and teacher. My name is Alaman Sheikh. I am studying standard 8 Oceanbright Convent High School. So today I am going to explain an electrical circuit, that how it's work and what are the function of an electrical circuit. So let's see. This is my electrical simple circuit that I have made. So I will while their free ends are connected to the light bulb. However, the filament becomes heated and produces light. Thanks.
Myself Saima Khan. I am from Oceanbright Convent High School from 8th standard. Today I am going to explain the functions of lungs. This is the diagram of lungs. This is thin pipe which called windpipe trachea. Your trachea or windpipe is one part of your airway system. Airway are pipes that carry oxygen rich air to your lungs. And second is the branches which connects with the trachea. The two branches which connect with the trachea, which left one called the left branches, and right one called the right branches. And next the ribs. Ribs are the skeleton protection for the lungs and the chest cavity. And the alveoli. Alveoli is a very important part of the respiratory system. The alveoli is tiny balloon shaped air aqueous. Their job is move oxygen and carbon dioxide molecules out of your bloodstream. Next is the outer pleura. Outer pleura is attached with the ribs. You can see this. The pleura is attached with the ribs. The outer pleura is attached to the chest wall. The pleura cavity adds optima functioning of the lungs during breathing. And the inner pleura includes two thin layer of tissue that protect and across the lungs. The inner layer vesicular pleura wraps around the lungs. First function is diaphragm. Upon inhaling, the diaphragm contains and flaps on the chest cavity enlarge. Thank you. I will show how my project is working. This is the windpipe and this is the two lungs. This is the right one and this is the left one. Left one is bit smaller than the right one, and because it is bit smaller, because the space leaves for your heart. This is the right branches and this is the left one. Now I will show you how our lungs works. Like this, our lungs are blowing like this.
Nitrogen fixation, conversion of nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites through atmospheric, industrial and biological process. Ammonification, release of ammonia through decomposition of dead bodies and excretory waste of organisms. Nitrification, conversion of ammonia into a nitrite and then nitrate. Denitrification, conversion of nitrogen compounds into gaseous nitrogen. Thank you.
Hi teachers, I am Faria Khan. I am from 8th class and I am going to tell you about human lungs. Your diaphragm tighten and flatten, allowing you to suck air into your lungs. To breathe out, exhale, your diaphragm and rib cage muscle relax. This naturally lets the air out of your lungs. To get the oxygen your body needs, you inhale air through your mouth and nose. Once in the lungs, oxygen is moved into the bloodstream and carried through your body. At each cell in your body, exhale it Oxygen is exchanged for a waste gas called carbon dioxide. Your bloodstream then carries this waste gas back to the lungs where it is removed from the bloodstream and then exhaled. And I'm gonna show you how it works. This is my exhibition and how it works. Thank you so much.
Teacher and my dear friend, I am from Ocean Bed Convent High School. My name is Mohammed Hussain. So I study in class 5th. Today I am going to show you what is the lung. So let's start. The respiratory system is the network of organs and tissue that help you breathe. It include your airways, lungs, and blood vessels, the muscles that power your lungs. So lungs are also part of the respiratory system. This part work together the move oxygen through the throughout the body and clean out waste gases like carbon dioxide. Today I am going to show you the lungs are work fast. We get the oxygen in pipe, then the lungs are work as you can see. Thank you, principal teachers.
Hello everyone, my name is Taiba Muzaffar Naik. I am studying in Ocean Bright Convent High School from Standard 8, and today I am going to show you the working model of lung. The lungs are pair of sponge air-filled organs located on either side of chest thorax. The trachea windpipe conducts inhaled air into the lungs through its tubular branches called bronchi. The bronchi then divided into smaller branches and called bronchioles. Now I will show you the working model of lung. Now I will inhale air and see. This is the working model of lung. Thank you.